Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. Continuing with the next lesson in the series, Useful Free Programs for Windows. And this time we're going to look at a program that is not on this list, and that's going to be the program. Format Factory. Let's type Format Factory and download it. And actually not, I saved here the official page, and the manufacturer is free time, but there is a problem with this site at the moment. There are 3 options here for downloading, but the one with the torrent works, but I don't know how much it downloads, and this official button doesn't work. So, I'm giving an alternative version from this site, here no problem. I'll give a link to the site in the description. And we just press the Download Now button. Just to say, I guess you also understood from the official website, seeing from here that Format Factory is a media converter that can convert an awful lot of formats. We press Save and wait. I've been using it for many years. Here, it's being downloaded. I'll give another alternative. For those who want to download a portable version, that is, one that does not require installation. Here it is from this website for Internet Archives, archivix.org. I will also give a link to it in the description. And I press to save it in this format as well. I have to say that I am quite happy with this converter, although there are occasional bugs in some of the features of the different versions. I've been using it since version 3. Currently, as you can see, it's 5.21. It's already downloaded. So, here they are both. Here's where I downloaded the programs. So, this is in RAR format. This is with the installer. We install it like any other normal program. This screen appears. This is about the agreement, but you can see, for example, how it is here. It's not clear. We check the box here and we press forward. Here we can choose where exactly to install, with this button, but in this case I won't do it, I'll leave it at the default. I'll press forward and then install. We wait. That's it. This window appears. We press accept and everything is ready. We press the top button. And wait until the program files are loaded. Here's what the initial window looks like, the preview screen. Here, some warnings appear at the top, what is not supported, for example. And here is the program. Now you see, these are the menus up there. It automatically detects the language. You see it's currently in Bulgarian. That's it. So here we have a few things in this tape. We have video, audio, as you can see how many options there are for everything. Images, documents. Optical discs. And other tools. And what I mainly use personally, is different conversions of files from one format to another. The other thing I use is merging video files. This is also a very useful option, to make two video files into one, and even when I shoot my videos, sometimes I make them in parts, and then I merge these parts. And merging is very easy. Here we click here, a window like this appears, for selecting a file, and you select the files themselves, that you need. Here's an example of the first file. You click here on the open button. It loads. Then again you click for the second file. You can also merge 3 or 4 files. And when everything is ready, you press OK. Now in this case I have only made one file but nothing, I will just show it. And to get it going, you press here the start button, green. Now in this case I'm going to clear it, because I don't have a second file, I haven't prepared it now to show it in depth. Now there are more different options here. I also use this for cutting, although the latest version had some bugs. This is to cut out part of a video clip. Let's see it here now. Will it work?
Hristos рождается, славите.
Just to say, I've chosen a very beautiful song to show in connection with the upcoming Christmas, in 3 weeks and a little bit. So I'm going to demonstrate with it. This is Catavagii of the Nativity of Christ, Catavagii of Christmas. A beautiful and wonderful songs performed by Kalin Kurlov. It's on YouTube. I'll give a link in the description. That's it. So here you see, with this you mark, and if you want to cut apart, so you go to a clip and here you have to select the beginning and the end. Here it starts.
Hristos nebes ряждите, Hristos на земли возноситеся, пойте Господеви, вся земля и весельем, воспойте людие, яко прославися. Прежде век от Отца рожденному нетленно Сину.
For example, I want to spend these 52 seconds to cut. So for starters, in this case I won't press because it's from the beginning, but I will press the end button. And you see, here the beginning is 0, the end is at 52,200 of the seconds. If I wanted to start from here, then I would press start, wait until it gets to the place where I want to stop, and then stop. I press OK. And here again OK. And I press the start button. And I wait. This process is not that fast. In this case it is faster because the file is small. This tells us that it is ready. And here in the output folder, I go to find the file. I take it. And I go to the desktop, and I copy it. There it is. See? There are 52 seconds. I can play it for you to hear. And there are no players here yet. We haven't downloaded it. Okay, we'll leave it with the program there, by default. Never mind.
Hristos рождается, славите, Христос небес ряждите, Христос на земле.
So, that's it. It's just that I, without wanting to close the program, I'll have to open it again. That's it. These are basically the options I use. Also, many times, for example, when I want let's say, from this clip to extract the music, that is, the audio. It's just like that. You can move the mouse, like that, you can drag to this window and you see from there you can choose the format that you want it to be converted to. Here I want an MP3, I want to extract the audio and press OK and start. And that way I'll get just the audio. And I'm not going to stop completely. You see, there are an awful lot of options. I myself don't know them all. I'll use the ones that I need, and you can decide for yourself. So that's it for this tutorial. That's all for this tutorial. Best regards.